the starting 11 for New York City FC. In number 9, the win for the out number 7, KIQI. Please join me in welcoming from Newark Memorial High School.
Besides scoring the goal early on the game, what do you think about the performance of the team, especially in the first half, the first 45 minutes? Thank you.
I think we're playing against a really good team this evening. And of course, in the first half, the opponent put us under pressure. They pressed us really high, and also they overload the central space, and there are many good plays. So of course they put us in trouble. Second half much better. We created lots of chances, and from my perspective, we deserve at least one goal in the second half, maybe two.
Coach, do you feel like this game got away from you due to Sean Johnson's?
Wondo, how effective was the team on the second half?
How effective was the team? To be honest, I thought that was our better half. Obviously it didn't show in the score, but I thought we came out and played better. But obviously not effective enough.
Moving forward, what do you think about the performance of the defense on the first half? And what are you taking away from this game tonight?
Taking away 0 points, but I think that things that we need to learn from, some things that we need to correct. I thought our defense played really well. I think that shut them down for the most part. Again, we let up a set piece goal, and then we let up a good bit of play down the right side, good combination play and a deflection goal. And so I think a lot of credit to our defense. I think it did well. It didn't bounce our way today, but we still have a lot of things we can learn from, and I think we'll on Monday. Video session, we'll find out a lot of things.
This is just the beginning of the season, and how is the team getting ready for every game? How's the process of developing chemistry, at the locker room, at the game? How's the process going on right now?
I think that it's good. I think that we have a great group of guys, great team with skills and everything, and nice persons. And, we develop, and we're gonna be better.